What's poppin', y'all? I ain't even cut y'all on, man. I just got straight to it, bro. This morning, we goddamn, I went ahead and hit it more again with the wire wheel, cleaned all this up, detached all this stuff, got all in here, got all the way down to back there, detached it all the way back there as well, that side as well. Took the motor mount brackets that were right here, got them off. Took the brackets off. I'm probably gonna take this off. I'm gonna get all new steering linkage though, so I might just hit it with the paint, and then just replace it later. But I just wanted to make sure I got at least this top part, all this. Anything I can't get to when once the motor's in. Also hit this under there, the transmission tunnel. Because I think I'm gonna paint that all black down here, and since I'm down here already, I might as well hit it. I felt like, so that's where we're at now. I took the jack stands up, I'm gonna drop it, move it back over here, spray it down one more time, and then head to Harbor Freight, let it dry. Man, just came back from picking up all the kids, dropping them off, running around, you know how it goes. But I did get this hit kind of masked off, and I hit it with this rust reformer. It said it goes on clear and dries black. I mean, it kind of dried black, but it's not black enough for me. Hey, yo. So we got this 2-in-1 rust reform and seal. Rust-Oleum, I bought a brush, and we're gonna go ahead and hit this up. I mean, some parts came out pretty damn good, I ain't gonna lie, but just to double it up, I figured why not. So we're gonna start on that.
Then why'd you ask me? What do you?
I wasn't gonna get anything.
I wanted to see what her answer was.
We don't identify us. If you go down to the station and don't talk, don't make no statement.
Any money I owe you?
That's the rules.
Bottle rocket it out. Yep. That's a choice.
Streets and started banging. Man make money. Man made choppers.
Girl make money. Girl, you know what I mean? Huh?
Niggas coming through, I'ma be in the
what?
hood. Ain't
You
got
would
shit
have
else
got
to
it
do.
back, but now you talking about you want the $15. It's not even for lunch anymore. You want it for whatever you want it to be for. So don't try to guilt trip me into making it seem like I didn't. Well, I wasn't trying to do that.
What? Trying to do what? Trying to
What
do
you
what?
just said?
His homies don't care.
Stop cap.
Good friends, I swear.
Crazy. crazy, crazy, crazy.